So this is how the place looks like before the makeover, and this is how the place looks after the makeover. Firstly, take any type of ring or bangle. Take any curtain or long cloth and divide it into halves, then tie it on the ring like so. Now you need any command hook like this. You can get one from any local store or online too. Measure the size of your cloth and then stick the command hook on the wall like this and place the ring on the hook like so. Next, take any mattress or grab a bunch of quilts and place it on the floor. I have also placed a white bed sheet on the mattress. Now, tuck the curtains under the seating. Now I'll place some cushions inside the canopy. Here I am going with some bright colors. Now let's decorate the wall. Starting with a dream catcher, I'll hang it right above the canopy along with a couple of decor pieces and few plants. So this is how the place looks before the makeover. There is a plain trunk on which some items are kept and a plain white wall, and this is how it looks after the makeover. For doing this, firstly I have taken a table cover. You can even use a bed sheet or any other old cloth that you have, and I have placed it on the trunk. I have removed all the items from the trunk and I have cleaned the trunk properly before doing this. Then I have placed some matching cushions on the trunk. If you have a mattress, you can even use that to provide some extra comfort. Next I have used a scarf. You can even use a dupatta or a shawl over here, and I have placed it on the side of the trunk, something like this. To decorate the wall, I have used this metal rack which I ordered from Amazon a long time back, and to hang it I have used this hook. I am using some wooden clips to hang my paintings on this metal rack and decorate the wall. If you want a tutorial of any of these drawings, Please let us know in the comment section below, and we would surely try to make a video on that. I have arranged the drawings on the metal rack and clipped them with the wooden clips. Next, on the scarf that I placed on the side of the trunk, I have placed a money plant, a book, and a Buddha showpiece. Also, on the metal rack, I have placed two Rajasthani Kathputtlis, which are looking extremely pretty. And our beautiful wall makeover is ready. That's it for today's video. We hope that you enjoyed it, and do let us know whose wall you liked the most. If you haven't subscribed us yet, make sure to hit that red subscribe button, and also do let us know which video you would like to watch next from us. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and thanks for watching.